everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we had any really good content or uploads with the Z06, but this one's going to be amazing. So, recently, Justin, of course, Horsepower Obsessed, and myself took the C8 and the C6 to do quarter-mile times. So, good news is we tested out the accuracy of a Dragy, which is awesome, and also we'll learn about what this little component is on the C8. So, let's get going. What's up, everybody? Here we are. We're in the car. We're at the track, and next to me is a wonderful C8 Corvette owned by Mr. Justin of Horsepower Obsessed. So today, we're going to take the Z06 down the track. Might be a little embarrassing, but it'll be fun. We're also going to test out the Dragy, see how that does, and we're going to run against his C8. So, best of luck. This might be the last video or the first video of a bunch of cool ones, so depending how this run goes. So, stay tuned, and here we go. My heart, yeah! Holy sugar! That was awesome! Oh! What the heck? Yes! Yes! Oh! That was amazing! Amazing! We're gonna do it again. Stay tuned. First one 11.3, felt pretty good about it. We'll see how we do here. So, yeah, just hoping to run somewhat about the same. So, see what happens. Let's go. Okay. Yep. Oh boy! Hang tight, guys. Justin's car is up here on the side of the track. Hopefully nothing serious. Maybe it's just something electrical or something. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, everyone. So, as we saw, we just had a little mishap with Justin's car, which we'll jump back into that in 1 second. Before we do, I want to tell you guys about the Dragy. So, very simple device, real simple app that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. Buy a simple Amazon mount for the window, and you're good to go. Costs about $129, and I'll show you how accurate they are in 2 seconds. So let's watch a Dragy video, and then we'll look at our time slips.
Alright guys, here are the numbers. As you can see, the Dragys on the left and the numbers from Keystone Raceway are on the right. The 60-foot times are off about 4/10, the 8th mile about 1/10, and the mile per hour about half. 1,000-foot times are dead on, same with the quarter mile. Now the mile per hours are off slightly, but overall they're very close. With that being said, I think that's all due to the fact that the Dragy starts when you start. So there's a little bit of delay, and of course if it does shift a little bit, I'm sure it can skew those numbers inside of your car. I had mine in the cup holder, so it wasn't a solid mount by any means, but it does come with some magnetic pads you actually can put down on your car for more accurate times. Overall, I think the Dragy is extremely accurate. It's a lot of fun to play with, and definitely fun to have laying around your car. So if you ever want to borrow one, come find me, or go buy one yourself, because they are cool and it's neat to find out what your car actually runs. Alright guys, now let's get back to the C8.
What's up guys? Not sure what happened. The car's moving on its own power. Not sure how much. So we'll find out more once we get down here to go see Justin now, but looks like might have just a little bit of malfunction. I don't see anything laying on the track per se, but they are cleaning some fluid up down the way. So we'll see what's going on here and go from there. I ran 11.1. I'm okay with that. My reaction time wasn't all that great. Speed was 126, so it should be faster than that, but I'm good for today. So all right guys, we're gonna catch up with Justin and see what's going on. Talk to you guys soon. Peek up underneath what's going on here. This is real fast. You can see. Side there's a little bit of dampness towards on the trans side. Pretty common issue on these. It's happened on most a lot of stock C8s, so be back on the road in no time. But for today, it's going home safely. Thanks to these nice guys. From there. Justin and I gotta get out of here. So, Justin, thank you. Good fun.
You're welcome, man.
See you guys.
It's much fun for me.
It's a day. It's common. See you, everybody.